Loona app, sleep reducing anxiety. Number one sleep app. It's not like, to be honest, the super top sleep app, but it's a quite popular app. Feel less stressed at night. Sleep stories, music and nature sounds, breathing exercises, a number of beautiful journeys. Listen to original playlist. Number one art-based sleep app. Loona is the first app that lets you quickly disconnect from a long stressful day and get in the right mood for sleep. So it's another sleep app, right? Not exactly. Loona isn't a list of direct go-to sleep techniques, but rather a mood alerting app. Helps you stay calm during the day and prepares you emotionally for going to sleep in the evening. So negative emotions we accumulate during the day are processed and consolidated by our brain during sleep, making them more difficult to dissociate from when faced again in the future. So Loona will support your emotional states with playlists and immersive stories. Each night you will have a recommended escape. An escape is a guided session that combines activity-based relaxation, storytelling, and sounds in a unique way. Loona saves your escape sessions to your Apple Health app. And then there is Loona Plus app. And then you can just open it up. So here's the idea how it looks like. This app is getting more popularity and more traction. So then you can just tap to get started. And then there is like onboarding. I'll just show you. So here you see all the questions. So you can select some colors you like. Just an idea, and then you can see how many people using it. So 100,000, it's not yet like tens of millions, so it's not like, but it's a growing app. And then you can just tap skip, and then you can see how much you're getting in Loona Plus. $70 per year. And then, so this is kind of the experience you might get. This is kind of
called the Dragon Shrine.
What you just
make yourself comfortable and prepare to explore this majestic.
And then this is kind of you're playing this to fall asleep. So first, you're not just listening to some, like audiobooks or something. And then you're just doing that. This kind of game. It's quite cool to fall asleep. Pretty cool. And this way you're kind of relaxing.
That's a great start.
And kind of want to fall asleep. So
did you notice how gently
that's basically the idea of the app, and they have hundreds games like that. And you can just build your sleep routine. There are some escapes. There is your account details. Then you can also invite your friend. Let's see if they have some kind of referral codes I can share with you. Seems not. It's just a general invite link. And then there's just a Facebook community. and that's it. So if you want to save your progress, you need to sign in. And then there are also audio stories, and then there's also music, and there are also these escapes. But this app, again, is different from all other countless sleeping apps with this escapes section, with this, like, really cool, like, calming games. So if you think something like that will help you fall asleep, this is the top app right now. So yeah, pretty cool.